again. Reading all those faces, talk about the places they've been. Two all sweetheart fell apart somewhere there long ago. They didn't know that someday we meet again. We never knew than just a reminiscence. Maybe this time we will love and they'll find. Maybe now it will be more than just friends.